So I just ordered this pair of Apple AirPods 3. They came pretty quick. I ordered them yesterday, got here today. Ordered from the Apple website. Pretty excited about how quick they got here. I tried the AirPods Pro. They didn't fit in my ears. So I ordered these to see how well they do. Obviously the packaging is pretty legit. Let's give it a tear. Haven't seen a lot of videos yet pop up on YouTube. Thought I'd post this. Obviously the packaging. And there you have the booklets. Talk about the instructions. More instructions. Surprised I haven't seen the sticker yet. All right, and here you have the AirPods 3. Take the packaging off here. Slide those out. And there we are. The light flashing. Got the sync button on the back. Let's see, is anything else coming in the packaging? Got your charge cable. It's in there. I think that's it. Let's open it up. I'm recording, otherwise it'd pop up on my screen. Well, that's it.